Hey.
What?
Hey.
What, Gary?
Happy 4th of July.
Gary, you're better than that. It's a bad pun.
Happy 4th of July.
Okay, we really need to get back to your fireworks safety video. This video is highly problematic. YouTube contacted us, so let's take a look. I think you'll be able to see the problem because it's pretty obvious.
And then you're gonna put it in as close into the eye as you can.
Yeah.
See all the tiny.
I don't see a apprentice with that one.
This little guy is called the M83, and you have to eat it. Just make sure you put it in the microwave before you make it into your belly time. And that's Gary's Happy 4th